Hello everyone, looking for all-in-one business management software? Then meet Odoo, a powerful suite that combines CRM, accounting, e-commerce, inventory, HR, and more all under one roof. In today's video, we will walk you through its key features, show you how it works, discuss the pros and cons so you can decide if Odoo is the right fit for you for your business this year. Let's dive in. Just go to Google and search for Odoo and you will land up here. Before moving forward, let's just go and check out the pricing here. And for those who don't know, Odoo is an open source ERP system that offers over 80 businesses apps to manage your company. Whether you run a small startup or large enterprise, Odoo makes for everyone. So here, actually it's free. As you can see here, one app free. So you can get one app free here. And you can see here, this is a standard rate and this is a custom rate. Sorry, custom rate, right? Obviously, the price could be different from which country you're accessing for. And if you're just curious about what kind of apps Odoo provide, you should ask what kind of apps Odoo doesn't provide. So here you can see it just cover everything into finance to sales to website, supply chain, productivity, marketing, and HR. And there's a lot of things. There's a Odoo Cloud platform, there's a studio, and even there's a third-party applications. Right, so you can just keep exploring and you will find a lot of things here. Right, now let's just go and click on try it for free from the top right side corner. Right, now choose your app. As it says that the first app is completely free, you can instantly access it and there's no credit card required. So I would like to go with the CRM here. So once I select CRM, let's go and click on continue. Now here you have to fill up this information here so that you can make an account and just go and click on start now. Once you have made your account, so what's make Odoo unique because of its modular approach? You only install what you need. So for example, let's say I want accounting. So I'll just go and click on accounting and click on start now. It's free, right? And here you can see just fill up all this form and just go and click on continue. And once you do this, right? So if you want CRM or accounting or invoicing, whatever that you need, you can add up. And if you grow and need e-commerce or HR tool later, you can also add them with just one click. So it's flexible, customizable, and now it's 2025. So it's more powerful for beginner friendly, and that is ever. So once you log in into your account, you're greeted by this clean modern dashboard. All your installed apps appear here. For example, let's say I just want to go with here accounting. So I'll just go and click on accounting and it will give me a complete dashboard of my accounting. So navigation is simple. Click into any apps and you will land up here, and then you will just find this complete interface. Feels snappy with drag and drop options, Kanban view, and customizable filters to tailor your workflow. Right now, everything is integrated. For example, a lead from CRM can automatically create a sales order in a sales app, and that order can be invoiced, tracked in inventory, and fulfilled, all without leaving the platform. Right. So here there's a lot of tools which you will usually find it here in the Odoo. So here you can just find CRM, which help you to track leads, schedule follow-up, set stages for your sales pipeline. Then there's a sales and quotations here, right? So for example, here we go, and there's accounting, which I just showed up, right? There's inventory, purchase, and there's a lot of thing, HR and everything. So Odoo pricing in 2025, here I've already explained the Odoo pricing here. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. So what's the pros, right? So it has a modular system, use only what you need, all-in-one platform, say goodbye to your switching tools, highly customizable, open source, mobile friendly. What's the cons? So there's a learning curve, there's a pricing can stack up, customization require expertise, community version is very limited. So who should use Odoo? So very first thing is that is a small business wanting to scale without switching tools later. There's a medium enterprise looking for full integration. And there's a service-based team managing sales, leads, and invoices. And obviously the last is e-commerce stores who want built-in accounting and inventory. If you're a solo freelancer or just want basic invoicing, tools like Zoho and QuickBooks might be simpler. But if you're growing fast, Odoo is serious contender. Now that's a complete walkthrough and review of Odoo. Let us know in the comment, are you planning to try Odoo or already using it in your business? Thanks for watching.